Hi everyone, welcome back to my DIY Home with Liz. In today's video, I have 3 projects to share with you that are all Dollar Tree DIYs. The first project we're going to do is really simple, but I love the way that it turned out. So I picked up one of these galvanized tin flower pots that they sell at Dollar Tree. These are fairly easy to find, so hopefully you're able to pick one up. I also grabbed this packet of stencil letters that they sell at Dollar Tree. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I want to tape off the rope that's at the top section of my flower pot. Now, of course, I couldn't find my painter's tape again, so I'm just going to be using this washi tape. And I'm just going to flip the pot upside down, and I'm gonna go around the edges and just put tape so that I'm creating a barrier between where the rope is and where I need to paint the bottom of the flower pot. Once I get the tape completely on, next I'm gonna go in with my stencil letters. I decided I was going to spell out the word grow. Once the stencil's on, I'm just going to come in with Waverly white chalk paint that you can pick up at Walmart, and I'm gonna do 2 thin layers of paint all over the whole flower pot. Once that's had a chance to completely dry, I'm just going to remove the tape from the top of the bucket. I'm also going to take off the letters from the stencil. I decided that I wanted to tie a piece of raffia around the top of it, so I just grabbed this raffia that they sell at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to tie it in a bow. From there, you guys can add flowers, you can add your favorite plant, whatever you like. I'm putting it over in this display that I have of all different types of plants. And here's a look at the finished product. A lot of people have been posting in our Facebook group, what do they do with all of these really great canvas signs that Dollar Tree has out right now? Well, I have a great idea for you in our next DIY. One of the awesome things about the new canvases at Dollar Tree is they all coordinate with each other. So what you want to do is you want to pick out a set of canvases that coordinate with each other. So grab a grouping of 3 or 4 that you can put in a project together. That way you'll have a bigger wall art that's going to make a better impact. So for this project, I grabbed 3 coordinating canvases, and I thought they all went really well together. And I had the idea in my mind that these would be great in a bathroom. I also picked up some of the burlap ribbon that they sell at Dollar Tree. So this project is super easy. You're just going to figure out which order you want your canvases to go in, and then you're going to flip them over on the back. Next, I cut 4 pieces of the burlap ribbon. I'm going to spread the ribbon out so it's evenly placed on the top sign as well as the bottom sign. Next, I'm gonna come in with my hot glue and hot glue that burlap in place. So I'm gonna put hot glue on the bottom as well as the top so it holds really nicely in place. For the top of my canvas, I'm just going to take that burlap ribbon and move it over so that I create a little hook system, and then I'll just hot glue that in place as well. From there, I'm just going to go through and trim off the excess ribbon because you can see that from the front side, so I don't want any ribbon to be seen once it's hanging on the wall. And once everything has a chance to set and dry, that's it. And you have a great wall hanging for $4. If you guys are liking these Dollar Tree DIYs, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Let's see if we can get this video to 2,000 likes. Our next project we're going to do is a super simple lantern. So what you'll need to pick up for this project are 4 mirrored frames. I got the ones that are the 8x10 size. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove the mirror and the backing contents from each one of your mirrors. Once you have the frames separate, you're going to paint these white. I'm gonna come in and use 2 coats of the Waverly White chalk paint. If you wanted to spray paint these, you could totally do that, but it's only 30 degrees here today, so I'm painting inside. Once you have your 2 coats of white paint done, you want to put all of the contents back into the frames and just close up the backs. Now the backings of these are some of them fall off, and so you may have to hot glue along the back if you have any that are falling apart. Next, I'm going to add a bead of hot glue along the back side of one of my frames, and then I'm going to attach my other frame on top of it, and then I'll add some additional hot glue to the back side. I'm essentially creating a box here. So I'll do the same to the other side, and then to finish it off, I'm just going to add glue to the final side and put the frame on top. You can always add additional glue on the inside if you feel like you need it. And then this is perfect with any of your favorite flowers. Okay guys, let me know in the comments below what your favorite project was. I have to say, I think mine was probably the wall hanging, but I do like them all. So let me know below what your favorite was. And if you missed our last Dollar Tree DIY, I'm gonna link it right here so you guys can go watch that video next, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.